Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Gujarat. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of language options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person or applied through email or applied through SMS. For applying in person, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office. They have to obtain the application form from the office and fill it up with all the necessary information. The applicant must make sure to carry the photocopy and original of the required document that is mentioned under the required document section of this page. Needed document is Aadhaar card. The applicant must attach the photocopy of the Aadhaar card along with the completed application form and then submit it to the officer. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the application is submitted, the details about the application status and process completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. This entire process will take a week for completion. For applying through email, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office's official website online. Under the Contact Us option, they have to check for the official email address of the mutual fund office. They have to compose the email to the official email address along with the mutual fund number and the Aadhaar number, requesting the concerned officer to link the Aadhaar card with the respective mutual fund. The applicant has to attach the scanned virtual copy of their Aadhaar card along with the email and then click on send option. There is no fee for this procedure. After receiving the application, the concerned authority will check the submitted application and document set. If all are in place, the application will be accepted. Then the application will be processed further. All the updates on the application status and the process of completion will be sent via SMS or as a reply to the same email sent by them. This entire process will be completed within a week. For applying through SMS, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office through SMS. They have to type the message in the format of capital ADRLNK space the applicant's PAN number space Aadhaar number space Y. They have to send the SMS to +91 921 299 3399. The officer will check the process by the given Aadhaar number, all the updates on the application status and the process completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. There is no fee for this procedure. This entire process can be completed within a week. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.